Friends, how are you? I think you are so fine. Today I'll talk about the commodities, how we can trade in commodities. There is main important thing is the building a trading strategy in commodity market. This is the big strategy. How we can buy, how can we can sell. That is the biggest strategy we have to follow. Okay, I'll tell you about the Demat account in India, how to open your Demat account for free of cost. There is Angel Broking, Motilal Oswal, Sher Khan, Zerodha, and Kotak Securities. These are all brokers, and if you want to open your commodity exchange in ICICI and SDFC, there is no option of commodity exchange, but these brokers are open frankly the commodity exchange. What was the risk of commodity exchange? There is a market of commodity exchange very volatile, very volatile. ठीक है. Okay, then you have to, if you make a trade, you have to make a sufficient balance in your account. If suppose you can buy a crude oil at a 13 US dollar, and the suppose peak is coming, and peak or downtrend is coming, and it goes to $9. You have sufficient fund that you have to balance the trade to cut out without your fund relaxation. Okay, trading strategy. What is daily habit? Make a daily habit to read the fundamental of overall the market. This is the main trading strategy. Make a daily habit to read the fundamental news in all over the market about US, China, Europe. That the major countries that can affect the commodities, because there is a growth rate cut in US, and the inflation rate, and there is China in how much they can gain in their PMI. So there is a lot of factors that can depend. The China is the big trader of commodity market. If China is affected, the whole commodity market is exchanges crashes. Okay, now tell me about the fundamental analysis. Under the fundamental supply and demand and that commodity have. But you have to understand what are the fundamental of supply and demand. Supply demand is the main important. Trading strategy is another thing, and fundamental demand is another thing. Okay, fundamental demand is says that how much your production are done and how much your supply is going on. We always see the natural gas inventory and crude oil inventory, and there is monthly wise the copper and nickel, and there's all type of inventories coming. You have to focus the supply and demand, how they can produce the worldwide and how they can consume the worldwide. There is a lot of newspaper. I not give the name. The special newspaper give you to, so you have to analysis the fundamental analysis about the commodity. Okay. Now technical analysis is second thing. Fundamental is the very important. If you know the fundamental analysis, so you know get the idea which commodity is going on and which commodity is going down. Okay, technical analysis. Check 10 by 20, 20 by 50, 50 by 10 daily moving average. This is very important. If you are trading commodity, check the daily. If 10 by 20 cross, 20 by 50 by cross, 50 by 100 cross, it means say the commodity is uptrend and there is a supply and demand. Supply is less and demand is high. That's the simple technical says. Okay, there is a lot of charts we have to analysis. There is a head and shoulder top, triple bottom, triple top, and there is a lot of indicator MACD, RSI, Scottish. There is a lot of indicator that can use for how we can trade, the trade was uptrend or downtrend. There are lot of things. Okay, trading methodology. When buy and sell, when you buy and sell, that is make your own decision. Don't follow any other person to take your decision. When you buy, when you sell. Okay, buy low and sell high. That's the basic principle of the commodity. Buy low, sell high. Okay, suggestion is don't make day trader. Suggestion is, this is main big suggestion. Don't make day trader. You, if you get, if you trade in morning session or evening session, you get a 1 and 2% profit. Get rid of the trade. Okay, get rid of the trade and don't trade again at that day, because you get a benefit. Make a trading strategy for next day. How you can trade now, or don't trade in one commodity. Trade a multiple commodity. Understand the multiple commodity behavior, and when you invest, when you get a profit, you get an idea. Okay, and third thing, never be a greedy person. If you are in greed, na, there is lot of losses. If you get 1% profit, you get rid of from the market, because market is not our brother, and it does not give the chances to gain you 2 or 3%. If you get 1%, get rid of. If you have long term time, today I am talking about day trader. The day trader get a benefit of 1% and get rid of. If you are 3-month trader, you make a contract of 3 months, and you can check the technical chart and fundamental analysis to make a position for 1 week, 2 week. After 1 and 2 week, the after 1 and 2 week, it can reach the target, and after the 1 or 2 week, retracement section is start, because people are booking profits. Okay, understand it. People are very greedy, they can make a profit. Some commodity are going to in the sky, but they are not a commentator, they are big fishes in market. To avoid that trade, you get a big loss about that trade. Okay, bye, see you, and subscribe my channel, and I give you good knowledge. Yesterday I gave you how you can trade in, how you can the basic fundamental about the commodities, but today I give the English. Yesterday I gave the Hindi. So there is a lot of confusion. I repeat my Hindi session into English, because my English is very simple. Everybody is understand. Okay, bye.